Hello you, welcome, and thanks for being here. Today I'll be making pineapple coconut pie. The ingredients are a cup and a half of whole milk. I have a half a cup of heavy cream. I have a half a cup of flour. Some almond extract, I'm going to use a teaspoon of that. Some vanilla jello pudding, I'm going to use a teaspoon of that. I have a cup of sugar. A half a stick of melted butter. I have about 4 tablespoons of crushed pineapple, which I let drain. I have a half a cup of coconut flakes. I'm going to use a pinch of salt, and I have 4 eggs. And we're going to put it all together in my food processor. And we're just going to kind of dump it all in. So, there's my cup and a half of milk. A half a cup of heavy cream. All the goodness is still in there. And a half a stick of melted butter. I'm going to add my flour. That was a half a cup. It's a cup of sugar. Pretty sweet. A half a cup of coconut flakes. These are about 4 tablespoons of drained pineapple. Let me open this up quick. We have a teaspoon, a little more, a little less, of vanilla pudding. Just gonna do like a heaping. There you go. A teaspoon of almond extract. Smells so good. A pinch of salt. And we're going to break 4 eggs. Just going to put them here. That almond extract smells so good. I use that to make my pound cakes. That and some butter is everything. I'm going to add in my 4 eggs. Okay, I have my top locked in, and I'm just going to let it go. Okay, don't get excited because it's still like really loose, like liquidy, and that's the way it's supposed to be. Getting it all loose. And let me show you my dish. I have my pie dish here that I've sprayed. I have my oven on 350, and it's ready to go. And I'm going to slowly pour this in. And I always put a pan underneath. You don't have to put it right underneath. You can put it on the shelf underneath of the pie pan in case it spills for whatever reason. And I'm going to put this into the oven on 350 for about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, it's been cooking for 1 hour. But when you bring it out, it's still kind of congealed. I don't know if you can see it. See how it wiggles a little bit? And it needs a little time to set. I'm going to let it set for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to have a piece. Okay, here it is. It's been about 45 minutes, and it's kind of settled in the middle, but that's exactly what you want it to do. So I'm going to cut into it and see what's happening. It's still kind of warm. Oh, come on. Let's try that again. Let's see. And I'm going to taste it. It's still pretty warm. Oh, it's pretty hot, y'all. But it's delicious. And I'm sure it'll taste a lot better when it's cooled off. So there you have it, pineapple coconut pie. Hey, thanks for hanging out. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, share, and comment. I would love to hear from you. Well, that's it and that's all. Later.